Alright, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to manually add the mirroring effect or mirroring, what's it called, modifier to this little cube. But again, you can use this for anything, like, let's say you want to do a body or something like that. Alright, so first things first is we select the tab, which puts us in edit mode. We can go to the side here where it says loop cut. Go to the middle, enter, we're good. Now, let's see, we have all that. We can just select that right here, press delete, vertices, delete again, vertices. A different way to do it would be to select the, what do you call it? The toggle x-ray or something like that, and that way you're able to select everything really fast. Alt A selects all, Alt A deselects everything. All right, so there's some other little knowledge. All right, so with that we have our half of what we want to be mirrored. So I think we can either do it here, share, no, smooth, no. All right, I guess not. Okay, so with this selected and this in edit mode already, go to the properties panel over here, go to the add modifiers, and do mirror. So now whatever you do to one side will happen to the other. So let's go with move, select that vertex right there. And as you see, whatever you do to one side happens to the other. It's pretty simple. This is like how to manually do the mirroring for an object. I'll show you another really quick example. Let's get out of edit mode, press tab. So yeah, let's go a little more solid. Yep, okay. Let's see. Let's move that object more to the side here. So then, actually no, just delete that. All right, add another cube with the add cube. Sweet. Okay, go to tab, edit, add modifier, mirror, and as you see the mirror modifier, it can be on the X, Y, or Z axis. It doesn't have to be like this, what do you call it, just X, like it'll be side to side. So let's see, X, all right, no, let's just put Y, okay, enter, and then let's move a vertices or something. So as you can see, it's moving it like that. It's like it won't move the X here, but it will move it along the Y axis over here. And you can do things like that. Let's see if we get out of that, move the object here. Will it have no changes, or will it have changes? Like, because we're thinking of the little red mark as the cutoff line. Same thing with the Y. Okay, so let's do it like this. Or is it like being cut in half here, and then so this is the Y section, this is the other Y section. All right, we'll figure it out in a second, but I'm demonstrating so you can know what's going on. Okay, so yeah, it's on a local axis thing. So this little point right here that you see, this is where it's the XYZ. So let's say we go back to X, take away the Y. Now it's just cut in half like here, instead of here like that. So hopefully that helps you understand like the frames of reference for the object that you're going to be working with. So like when you do it, you don't mess up as much as I would. All right, sorry for the extra explanation, but hope that does help. Best of luck.